Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel People and Geography. So today I have selected a topic from Physical Geography. What are the contents? River, river channel, drainage basin, drainage pattern, catchment area. Sometimes when we study physical geography, specifically this drainage chapter, these terminologies are looking very similar to us. But is there any difference between these terminologies? In this session, we will going to learn. Okay, so without any wasting time, let's begin. But before starting our discussion, you can take one pen and paper with you so that the important point which I am going to tell you in this lecture, you can write it down. Okay, so let's start. First, river. So it is a core concept and very common concept, very easy as well. So what it is written, please read with me. Natural flow of river from source to mouth. Here the most important point is natural flow and source to mouth. Source to mouth means source. See here I have written where it takes origin, and mouth means where it merges with the sea or sometimes in lake. So, for example, we can see Ganga River, its source is located in Gangotri Glacier and mouth is located in the Bay of Bengal. That means the river is originating from the Gangotri Glacier and it is draining into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, and it is a natural flow of river. So, can you tell me, what are the two factors which actually force the river to move down? Actually, it is two. There are two factors. One is the topographical factor, that means the slope, and another is the gravity. Next, river channel. See here two picture I have pasted here. Now, this is one picture, this is another picture. What is channel? The specific path that a river cuts into the ground, or the physical hollow or passageways through which a river or streams flow. See, this is the passage, or we can say the specific path where the river flows. It is river channel, and it is definitely a physical hollow. Otherwise, how a huge water mass will flow throughout the channel? So the physical hollow or passageways through which a river or streams flows. Next, the most important part where the students make mistake, that is river basin and catchment area. Which one is bigger, which one is smaller, and examples, area, purpose. So you may have some confusion in understanding the river basin or drainage basin in and catchment area. Basically, river basin and drainage basin are the same. River is drainage and river basin and drainage basin almost it is same. So river basin and catchment area are not the same. Sometimes it is looking similar that both are same, but what are the difference? Catchment area is smaller, river basin is larger. Always remember, river basin always in larger in area, aerial extent, but catchment area is smaller. Without first before going to explain the diagram, I am just reading the sentences. A large hydrological system, drainage basin I am reading. A large hydrological system including all the lands that river and its tributaries drain. See, whole area is actually river basin. You see it in this picture, this is one river, here it is one river, these are the tributaries which is joining with the main river. This is one tributary, here another tributaries, here another tributary. So all the areas, all the region, it is a large hydrological system including all the lands that the rivers and its tributaries drain, and drain where? Here. Okay, this is what river basin is. So what is catchment area? I told earlier that catchment area is smaller in areal extent as compared to river basin or drainage basin. It is topographically bounded where all the precipitation collects in it and drains off through a common outlet. It is very, very important. Common outlet, which could be a river, bay, or other body of water. The limits of a catchment area are marked out by natural features such as ridge, hills, and acts as divides. See, in this picture, I'm requesting you to find the catchment area. It is already marking in the diagram. See here, yellow color, I think you can, it is visible in front of you. This is catchment area. What it is written, the area that drains water to a particular river, stream, reservoir, lake, or other water body at a specific point is called catchment area. So we can say this is one catchment area. So we can also say that in a river basin there are multiple catchment area. This river, this is the, this is one tributary which is this is one tributary joining with the main river. So this river, it has its own catchment. This, in the same way, in this river it also has its own catchment. This river, acha, I'm taking one light color from here. Okay, now you can get it. If I make one point here, so this is another catchment, this is another catchment, here another catchment. So a river basin consists of several catchment area. Catchment is smaller in extent. Okay, where the river or the stream catches the water and it join with a river from a specific outlet or a specific point. That point of river which covering the entire area from where it drains is known as catchment area. Okay. Next, drainage pattern. Whenever na, I'm going to tell you an important thing, that is whenever you will see this term pattern, pattern means somehow it is geometrical shape. Shape, design, size, that means and the pattern, the arrangement. So pattern term is important. Pattern is very easy to understand. A drainage pattern is a spatial arrangement of rivers, streams, lakes in a specific basin. These networks form the path of least resistance, adapting directly or local topography, rock hardness, and geological structure like fault and fold. Here few matters or what I say, elements actually decide the drainage pattern. What are those? I am marking here again. Which one is fault, fold, hardness, and topography, and also the resistance power of rock. Okay, so this actually decide the drainage pattern. See here, I have taken one picture from internet, and here many types drainage pattern are marked here, like dendritic, rectangular, parallel. And what are those? Actually this is the see, one picture I am explaining, rest of the picture definitely you will got to know. This one is the main river, this is tributary, this is another tributary, this is another tributary, here sub-tributary joining that tributary. Okay, so the spatial arrangement of rivers or streams and lakes in a specific river basin. Spatial arrangement, the geometrical shape. Okay, this is drainage pattern. So I think I have tried to make you understand the important concepts with diagram. Still, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Keep studying. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Bye bye.